Hi, my name is Mario Beluso and I'm here to discuss how to multiply large numbers. But first we need to discuss about distributive property of multiplication over addition. It means that a factor can be multiplied on each addend separately and the answer will be the same. For example, 4 times 5 can be rewritten as 4 times 2 plus 3. And then we can multiply separately. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, equal to 20, which is the same as 4 times 5. And then another example, both factors can also be separated and multiplied individually and the answer will be the same. For example, 5 times 9 can be rewritten as 2 plus 3 times 4 plus 5. And then we can multiply each and every number of these numbers. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. So if you add this all up, it will be equal to 45, which is the same number as its answer as 5 times 9. Now we move on to multiplying numbers with zeros. So here are some examples. 10 times 10 is 100. 300 times 20 is 6,000. 20,000 times 400 is 8 million. From this, we can make a generalization or shortcut. For multiplying numbers with non-zero first digit followed by zeros, we just need to multiply the first digits and then we add all the zeros. For example here, 10 times 10 is 1 times 1 is 1, and then there are 2 zeros, we put 2 zeros, 100. In here, we multiply 3 times 2 is 6, and then we add the zeros, 1, 2, 3, we got 1, 2, 3 zeros. In here, 2 times 4 is 8, and then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, so we put 6 zeros. So let's get an example. For example, we have 24 times 213. We can separate this one, 24 into 20 plus 4, and then 213 we can separate into 200 plus 10 plus 3. And then we multiply each of this one into each of this one. So let's write it in here. 20 times 200 plus 20 times 10 and 20 times 3. So we use this method. 20 times 200, so we multiply the first digit. 2 times 2 is 4. And then we add that 0, 1, 2, 3. We get 3 zeros. 20 times 10 is 2 times 1, 2 plus 2 zeros, 2 plus 2 zeros. 20 times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 0 is 60. And then we do the 4. So 4 times 200, 4 times 10, and 4 times 3. So 4 times 200, we multiply the first digit. 4 times 2 is 8, and then 2 zeros. 8 and then 2 zeros. 4 times 10 is 4 times 1, 4, and then 1 0, 40. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And then if we add them all up, so 2, so 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 1, 11, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, 1, 1, 2. And then there's a shorter way instead of writing all this, we can just write only the digits. But the alignment is very important. So we should align first the last digits of these numbers, and usually the one with the more numbers is on the top. So we align 3 and 4 first. So 3 and 4 should be aligned, and then we follow it with the numbers. Then we have 1 and then 2. 24 is here. So we multiply, and then we multiply each number in here to every number on the top. So 4 times 3 is 12. We put 2 in here, and then we put 1 on the top. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 2 times 3 is 6. We put it in here. 2 times 1 is 2. And then 2 times 2 is 4. And then we add them all up. 2 plus nothing is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So that is how we multiply large numbers.